Dear students, this is January night, second page. So, trying to coax her, he said he was trying to convince Munni that she should give the money which they have saved to buy a blanket. He said they will manage, or he will, some other plan he will make to get a blanket. Munni drew away from him, her eyes angry. She said, "You just tell me what other plans can be found. Is somebody going to give you a blanket? God knows how many debts are always left over that we can't pay off. What I say is give up the tenant farming. The work is killing you. Whatever you harvest goes to pay up the arrears. So why you not finish with it? Earn some money for your own belly. I won't give you the money, I won't." She was very annoyed and she said to her husband, "So many loans you have taken, I don't know how and when you are going to pay back." So she was really annoyed. She said that I'm not going to give you 3 rupees. Sadly, Halku said, "Then I'll have to put up with his abuse." So put up means I have to tolerate. So the landlord is going to insult me. The better truth is Halku's word came charging as Munni like a wild beast. So wife, she really was very hurt. She said that I don't want my husband should be insulted by anybody. So she went to the niche in the wall, took out the rupee and handed them over to Halku. Then she said, "Give up farming this time." She said, "No need to work on somebody's land. You give up. Every day we can work and on daily wages. So give this tenant farming. If you work as a hired labor, you will at least get enough food to eat from it. Fine work farming someone else's land." So very sarcastically making fun of, she said, "No need to work on somebody's land. It is not good." Halku took the money and went outside looking as though he were tearing his heart out and giving it away. Tearing its heart means that 3 rupees they had, that was only the saving they had. So as if he was cutting the heart and giving to, it means that was their life. Without heart you can't live. So 3 rupees only they had as their saving. So that also he has to give it back to the landlord as to repay the loan. He had saved the rupee from the work by for his blanket. Today he was going to throw it away. With every step he had sank lower under the burden of poverty. So with heavy heart he was going to give that money to the landlord.